Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install VSFTPD server on Oracle Linux 8.8. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, used for transferring file from the server to the network. FTP is a built on the client-server model architecture. The internal client to server connection on port 21. First I am going to check the OS version. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 8.8. Next I am going to install the VSFTPD package by using the below command. US. Next I am going to start the VSFTPD service by using the below command. Next I am going to enable the service. Next I am going to check the status of VSFTPD service by using the below command. It is active and running. Next I am creating a user for FTP by using the below command. Next I am set the password for the FTP user by using the below command. Next add the FTP user into user list file by using the below command. Save and exit. Next I am going to edit the configuration file. Ensure the following lines are by using the below command. Anonymous enable, local enable yes, right enable yes, local anonymous equal to 022. Start a run line. Save and exit from the file. Next I am going to restart the VSFTPD service by using the below command. Next I am going to create a file into FTP user home directory by using the below command. I'm going to check that client package is installed by using a below command. Package FTP is not installed. Next, I'm going to install the FTP package by using the below command. Yes. Now the FTP package is installed. Next, I'm going to connect to the FTP server by using the below command. Enter the username. Now I enter to the FTP server. Next, I'm going to list the content by using the below command. Next, I'm going to download the contents by using the below command. To check the downloads by using the below command. This is the download file. Next, I'm going to exit from the FTP service. This is the process to install VSFTPD service on Oracle Linux.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.